In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACD indicator on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have the MACD on your chart and know exactly how to tweak it so it's useful for your style of analysis. First, open any chart on Tradingview. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any market you like. The process is the same no matter which symbol or time frame you are viewing. So just get a chart on your screen and you are ready to go. Next, look to the top of the screen and find the Indicators button. It's easy to spot, and you might also see it represented by a small beaker icon. Click that to open the Indicators menu. This is where all of Tradingview's technical tools live, from moving averages to oscillators. In the search bar that appears, type MACD, don't worry about capitalization. The search will find it. You'll see a list of results, from either the technicals or built-in section. Click Moving Average Convergence Divergence. As soon as you select it, the MACD will appear in a separate pane beneath your price chart. That confirms it's been added successfully. Now, take a moment to understand what you are looking at. The MACD typically shows two lines and a histogram. The main MACD line compares two moving averages of price. The signal line smooths that movement, and the histogram visualizes the difference between the two. This makes it easier to spot momentum shifts and potential trend changes. If you want to customize it, hover your mouse over the MACD label in its pane, and click the gear icon to open settings. Here you can adjust the inputs, including fast length, slow length, and smoothing. The fast length controls how quickly the indicator responds to recent price changes. The slow length smooths that response by looking over a longer window. And the smoothing value governs how the signal line is calculated. If you are just getting started, the default values are a solid choice, and you can always come back later to experiment. You can also adjust colors and line thickness in the Style tab to make the lines and histogram easier to read on your chart. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.